Today we're going to make a 4th of July popper for those individuals that have sensory issues with to hypersensitive to hearing. And it also helps them to understand and help them with their pincher and their fine motor grip. So the first thing we're going to do, I want to show you a 3-inch cut up noodle. We have a balloon here that was tied at the end and then cut at the top. We have a piece of tape, which is, I like to use the duct tape. And as you can see, we have the red, white, and blue theme. And we have several pom-poms. To start this project, I tied up the one end of the balloon and I cut a small piece, maybe a little inch off the top. And then I opened it wide and put it over the top of one end of the noodle, so it looks like this. So now it's time to put the tape on. Can everybody take a piece of tape? You can show, everybody can show the tape, everybody. We can put the tape so it covers the red balloon and the blue noodle. You go all the way around and put it really tight, okay, so that it covers the whole thing. Okay, and I'm gonna help. So as you pop it around, start from here, get your fingers up, and put it all the way around. That's wonderful. Once that goes around the tape, put the tape around the balloon and the noodle, it's time to put in the pom-poms. So everybody has the tape off? Let's throw the pom-poms on top inside the hole. Okay? There we go, all the way around. You got it. Put in a hole. Beautiful. Again, this is a great activity for those individuals that do not like loud noises. It's a nice soft noise when we pop them. Squeeze it. Okay, that's okay. So as long as it's in there. Everybody stand up. Let's see if they work. Take the end of the balloon. Did you put yours in? Go ahead and put yours in there. Your pom-poms in. Okay, you ready? Pull it down tight and let it go. 1, go. Yay, nice job, everyone. That's how we make our poppers.
Here's an adapted version of a popper that can be used with individuals that can only use one hand. I taped the popper around the arm of a chair, or it can be a wheelchair or whatever chair you have. And as you're sitting down, you can pull it up and see the poppers come out. Another great idea to use during the 4th of July celebration is to cut up an inch noodle and cut it in half. And by using your thumb and pointer finger, you can squeeze it together and make it go up in the ear. And as it goes up in the ear, it makes a nice sound. Not a low sound, but you're also using fine motor and your pincher grasp. I'm going to try it again. You squeeze it together like this and pop it up. There it goes.